Tired of PDFs locking you out of making simple edits? Today, we're going to unlock the secrets to converting PDFs to fully editable Word documents with ease. Let's dive in. First, head to a free online converter like iLovePDF. The link is in the description. Simply click the Select PDF File button and upload the PDF you want to convert. The website will quickly process your PDF, converting it to a Word document. The progress bar shows how far along the conversion is. Once the conversion is complete, a download button will appear. Click it to download your new Word file. Open the downloaded file in Microsoft Word or any word processor. You'll see that the text is now fully editable. You can change text, modify images, and adjust the layout as needed. Another great option is Zamzar. The process is virtually identical. Upload your PDF, select Word as the output format, and download the converted file. If you have Adobe Acrobat Pro, you can convert directly within the software. Open your PDF, go to File, then Export to, and choose Microsoft Word. This often provides the most accurate conversion. Remember, no conversion is perfect. You may need to make minor adjustments to formatting after the conversion, but with these tools, you'll be editing your PDFs in no time. And that's it. You've successfully converted your PDF to a Word document. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.